10K Yuj Tarot. We got an email in and it says, I am so interested in your cards, but I don't understand how to go about and get the training. Do I need to be in person? What is my next move? Okay. Sissy is her name. So, Sissy, let's just look. So, Sissy, with that question, you get a blank card. Now, some people get upset with us because in our system without a system, it teaches you to open all your talents. So, when you buy a deck, you can use it as a Pictionary. You can go along with the videos. But if you want training, you have to contact us personally. Why? Because most people have things wrong and different things in life. And one of the biggest things is the solar plexus on a lot of people, and it needs a lot of strength. So then the true Godhead. So in our system, someone that gets fully trained, you're not going to train yourself in a week. You're not going to go off and do tons of reading. This system has healing, has even acupressure points. There's so many things inside of this that can be a tool for you to use. So, you need to contact us personally, and then the training is really for you in whatever you are doing to perfect. You cannot use the cards in a reading until you pass a certain level, and then you will be tested.
Yeah, anyone can be trained in the 10K Yuj Tarot. You just have to contact suryasolsun at gmail.com, and we will make a special package and accommodations to meet with you personally. Because this is a lifelong journey, this 10K Yuj Tarot. We're the creators of it, so we do utilize it to help and aid people, but this is the gift that we are giving to the world so that they can use the deck to help themselves first. Unless you get trained and you want to get certified to help others, it starts within the self of healing.
So, let's open our hearts. And some people get agitated, and that's just them getting agitated. This is what we want, and we want to keep the system without a system to literally make people see their awakened self and be able to join and make people love again, make people have faith again, make people change other people's lives. Take care, guys.
$10K Yuj Tarot.